Hey everybody, welcome back to Barbecue 5.0. As you can see, from the last video I showed you that we were prepping the engine for paint. There's the cylinder walls for the one side. Take you over here. Let's show you the other side. Cylinders. Those are all the cylinders. And this is the paint, guys. This is how the one side looks. And here's the other side. Okay. As you guys can tell, even the back of it has been painted. So, what we're going to do is we're going to show you the front of it. Here's the front of the motor that has been painted. And just to let you guys know, this is the first time I painted an engine block. Oh, looks like I got a touch up right there. I will do that later. So, alright guys, that's it. For that one spot, alright, she's ready to be put together. The guy at the machine shop had put these screws in for me, so he only charged me $1 to do that. So, which I thought was kind of cool. But other than that, guys, that's the block that's going to be going into Project Tribute. When we start the build, I will let you guys know, and maybe we will record it or not. I'm not too sure at the moment, but she will be getting built. So, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If not, thanks for watching. But other than that, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. You guys have a good 4th of July and stay safe. Bye.